Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this Captain Steel Miami Cuban chain necklace. Comes in this nice little gift box here. And here it is. So these come in different colors. You get like the stainless or gold colored. I believe these are all stainless steel though. Has a nice thick quality to it. The links are nice and thick. It's a heavy necklace. It feels almost like it's made out of gold. It has these Lobster clasp. So you just pinch that one side there and you can open it up and then put it on. Just like that. So yeah, this one, like being stainless steel, it shouldn't corrode or anything or cause any like discolorations on your skin. Like you get some cheap necklaces or whatever and they can do that, but yeah, this one feels pretty heavy duty, not like it's gonna break or anything like that. And like the different colors that you can select are kind of nice. So this one, pretty neat little necklace. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day and I'll see y'all next time.